Welcome back again. We are still talking about logical operator. There is something that I want you to understand here. Boy is lesser than what? 60. Girl is lesser than what? 31. Now boy is lesser than what? 60. Girl is what? Lesser than what? Is we have greater than, we have lesser than. Boy is greater than what? 60. Girl is lesser than what? 30. Now I want you to see something here. Let's leave the two logical operator. Let's leave it. I want to see something here. There's something I want you to take note of. It's getting confused, but I want to make it right for you so that you can understand here. Now see, this is true. Boy is greater than what? 30. Is it? Which is no. Girl is lesser than what? 31. Girl is lesser than what? 31, which is what? True. This is false, this is true. But using what? Logical operator, let's see what will come out. It's still giving us no. This is strange. Now I want you to take a note of this. Now we want to use a real life scenario. When I mean a real life scenario, I want you to take a look at this very proper. Really look at this. Let's say in a real life scenario we want to change this now, this statement. Please do not get it confused. We want to change it. We want to really change it. Now we want to change this. Want to change this. We'll comment. Remember, this is our previous. We want to comment. Now I want to use another condition, which is what? If statement. If. Now let's check this word. This word here. Want to check a real life scenario situation. When I mean a real life scenario situation. Now let's say data type is declared here string holding what? Username and password. Now this is two word here, username and password. Now let's get started. Now equals to double quote. Now says OWASP. Now let's close. Now let's go to password. Now let's declare password equals to pass. Now password is equals to pass. Now I want to check something here. Let's say here want to check something here. Let's say this variable is equal to this OWASP. Now I want to use a logical operator here. Now let's check this. Password is equals to pass. Now there's a word here. This is how I learned how to use what? Logical operator. Then I understand that this is what the meaning of what logical operator is saying. I want to create an application using what? Java programming, which give ability of a user input your username and your password. If it's correct, please say yes to what? Yes to login. Now if it's no, say no to what? Login. Say no to what? Login. Now you remember what I'm trying to say here. Yes, log me in. No, login. Yes, login. Now I want to check here if it's really true. Now for the possibility word here, it's going to check these two statements here. It's going to check this statement. It's going to what? Check this statement. Now I want to take note of this. You're going to get it right now. Now remember, in a real life scenario, if my username is correct, my password is wrong, it will not check me in. Let's really be sincere. It will not check me in. Now let's see this real life scenario here. Now let's see this. It's going to check me in because it's correct, which is what? Yes, login. Now let's just arrive at here, like Yes, login. That means login. I'm ready. Yes, it's passed me in. Login successful. Now this is it here. Now I want to check something again here. Now I want to make what a wrong statement here. The user input. Now the user did not what get only the username right. It's for he or she to put OWAS. He just put in OWA, which he doesn't know the part. He doesn't know the word the username. He just want to guess because he want to access it. Let me call it is an hacker or whatever. Now let's check if it's gonna what pass it in, which is what no login. Now this is it. Login is unsuccessful. No login. Now see, you remember in the previous one we were using what a boy and a girl. It seems to look what difficult for you to understand. That means it's going to check the two statements. Check this if it's correct, check this if it's correct. If one is wrong, if this block of a statement is right, this one is wrong, it's going to give a wrong answer, a wrong output. If this is right, this is wrong, it's going to give an output. Is either your left is wrong or your right is right. Now if your left is right, your wrong is wrong. Like your left is right, your wrong, your right is wrong, like that. Now I mean we have left and right. Now this left statement here is right, this is wrong. It's still going to give you what a wrong answer. No login. The both has to be what right. That's why it's what an logical operator. It performs the logic way. Just imagine it's telling me no because of why this statement you are seeing here is not what correspond with this. If it corresponds with this, once I click, look, it will have an arrival, which it just only have what, look, just click on this find selection. Now if you click on find selection, it's going to look for a rifle word similar to what is what namesake here. Now this is here owa. It's supposed to spell owas. There's no x added to it in the user input. This is user input. This is what if statement, what if statement. Now this is a conditional statement here using what a logical operator. Now let's remove one, let's run, let's see, check what would be the answer, which is no. This is nice. I really like this. Now this is how to use a logical operator in real life scenario. You can use it to do what user checker, password validation, make sure that it gets it right. It's just like I just want to program just one interface for a particular person. It say make it what concatenated. Don't give a user ability to register. Just make it what for me. It just customized for me only. Now this is how to do it here. You make sure that this is what sealed up. Now this is how you can use a logical operator. Is either you use what one or two. We're going to be seeing another what logical operator, which is what or operator. Now non-operator, like going to see another sign of operator here, logical operator. Now odd and AND. Now this is what I just want to pass to you. Like this is how it works here, using it what as a word checker, user and what password checker. You're going to see here, it's going to check it. If one is wrong, it's not going to what sign you in, which is wrong. Let's get it what, as you can see here, let's check if you have an arrival, which is what complete. This, check this, now complete. Let's run it now. Okay, it's going to bring an output, which is what yes login. As you can see here, this is the result. Yes login. Nice, perfect. Now this is success here. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Still talking about other what logical operator symbol.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.